Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your signature on Gmail. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So a signature, basically, once you send an email, you're going to have a signature down below. It's a digital signature where basically it's going to show you that this email was sent from this phone by this user, okay? It is pretty important to just so you can make sure that this email is actually true and it's not from someone else. So I'm going to show you how you can do it right now. So first of all, you're going to launch Gmail. Now from Gmail, you're going to make sure you're on our account, on your own account that you want to use. Then you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top left. Now from this menu, you're going to scroll down all the way to settings. Now from settings, you're going to choose the specific account that you're going to send from email. Okay, do not choose the general settings. You're going to use the my own email, and from that you're going to scroll down all the way until something called general. Now from general, as you can see, you can find something called mobile signature, and I have it to not set. Once you click on it, you can set your signature, and any email that you're going to send is going to have your own signature. So that's how you can change your signature, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.